Blizzard of 2010. Here's a lucky guy with the shovel. Here's the 4-foot drift I had to climb over to get in here. And who's that? Oh, hello. Hey, Frida. You want to go jumping around? Want to go jumping? Oh. Okay. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Let's try again. Ready? Oh, you're ready. You're ready. Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, good girl. Right, ready? Oh. Let's do a jump. Let's do jumping. Ready? Woo! Oh, go get it. Did you find it? Where is it? Where's the ball? Here's another one. Here's another one. Like the ball? That wasn't nice. But go get it. Good girl. Okay, that's enough video for now. I think it's time to go inside. That was fun though. We can come back out and play in the snow later.